Calculate the potential of a hydrogen electrode which is immersed in a solution of pH 10. The electrode reaction of the hydrogen electrode is H plus 1 electron gives rise to half H2. Pressure of this hydrogen gas is 1 bar. We can also consider like this also the electrode reaction. If you take either first equation or second equation, you will get the same value. There is no problem with that. Now the nearest equation for the hydrogen electrode is EH plus H2 is equal to E0 H plus H2 minus 0.0591 by N log 1 by H plus. Anyway, pressure of the H2 gas is 1 bar, so 1 by concentration of the H plus. The reduction potential value of the hydrogen electrode is 0. So E0 value is 0 minus 0.0591 by 1. I am considering the first equation. If you want, you can take it as second equation also, you will get the same value, no problem. 1 by H plus. Then EH plus H2 is equal to minus 0.0591. This log 1 by H plus, you can consider that as minus log H plus, where minus log H plus is concentration of H plus is equal to pH. Then EH plus H2 is equal to minus 0.0591 into pH. pH is given as 10, so minus 0.0591 into 10. You get the value minus 0.591 volts.